Hello peeps! It's me again, Mars Sotaro, and welcome back to my channel! channel! Sa mga newbie po dyan, hi po! Welcome sa aking channel. And enjoy po kayo. May bagong tutorial po ako. Title is Riptide. Yes, Riptide. Gagawa pa ako ng basic na tutorial lang po para sa inyo. Sana po magustuhan nyo. Okay? Stay tuned lang po. And let's get started. First is, dapat nasa tono yung ukulele nyo. Yan, dapat nasa tono po. Okay, may tatlong chords lang po tayo. Paulit-ulit lang po yung chords na yon. Okay, tatlo lang po yung chords na gagamitin natin. Chords progression. The first chord is AM. Go to the second fret. Ito po yung fret. Ito po yung fret. At saka ito yung strings. Fret, fret, fret. Let's go to the second fret. And put your index finger sa fourth string ng second fret. Yan. The second chord is G. Second fret. Okay, let's go to the second fret. Put your index finger. Put in the third string in second fret. And the middle finger. First fret. Okay, second fret sa first string. Tsaka yung ring finger is lagay natin sa third fret, second string. Ganito po. Yan. The third chord is C. Let's go to the third fret, first string. Ito lang po, easy lang po. Pwede rin ganyan. Pwede rin ganyan. Ganito yung ginagamit ko para mas madali. Yan po. Okay, strumming pattern naman tayo. Ganito po yung sa AM is up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Ganito po yung chuck. Stop po lang. Ayan. Up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Up, down, up, up, chuck. Up, down, up, up, chuck. The second chord, G. Same lang din sa AM yung strumming pattern. Up, down, up, up, chuck. Up, down, up, up, chuck. Up, down, up, up, chuck. The third chord is C. Strumming pattern niya is bali 2 times po yung bali 2 times po yun. So, ganito po siya. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Okay, play ko muna yung intro ha. Balik. Okay. Again. Yan. 2 times lang po siya. And let's go to verse. Yung verse is wala na yung chuck. Tinagal ko na po yung chuck. Verse is same lang po yung chords talaga. Okay? S and a C. Torque, yeah. I was scared, you pretty girl, see, starting conversation. Yeah, all of my friends, G, turning C, ring. Yeah, your vibrations, G, sisters in a dream. C po. Sa refrain po is ganito po siya. Hap, chak, hap, chak. C blended sa G. Hap, chak, hap, chak. Saka sa C, same lang din. Hap, chak, hap, chak. Ganito po siya. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Pag-pause muna kayo, then chak sa C. Hap, chak, hap, chak. C, pause, chak. E, M, up, chak. G, up, chak. C, up, pause, chak. Nan po. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Hoo, hoo. And they come and stuck. Noon. Ganun po siya. Pwede naman po kayong gumamit ng ganito po. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Puro up lang. Hoo, hoo. And they come and stuck. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taking away to the... Ganyan po. And chorus na po tayo. Sa chorus naman is ilalagay ko dito ulit yung strumming pattern at saka yung chords po. Okay? Malapit na po tayo. Yeah, later G, running down C, Riptide, taking away to the dark side G. I wanna be your C, left and I love you G, when you're singing that C song, and I got a love in my throat, cause G, you're gonna sing the C verse wrong. Okay, alam ko nalilito po kayo, kaya muna sa inyo yung chorus para maintindihan nyo po. Okay po, salamat po. I was scared of dentists and the toy. I was scared of pretty girls starting conversation. The wall of my face are turning green. Yeah, magicians, sisters in the tree. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, and they come and stop. Later, running down to the Riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man, and I love you when you're singing that song. And I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Hey! Sana po may nakuha po kayo sa tutorial ko po. Yun na po yung makakaya ko. See you sa next tutorial ko po. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell below. Yun po. Thank you. Bye-bye.